For the initial setup, you need to create a regular user first. You can create a new department or subsidiary here. Click on Add User. Provide the user's basic information. If the email gateway is configured, you can send out the activation email notification. Alternatively, if the phone number is reachable, our SMS service will send the activation SMS. If you haven't sent the activation notification, you can find the initial login password here. Click here to reveal the password.
Once the client is installed, verify your enterprise code to proceed. For SaaS, the enterprise code is part of your domain. For on-premises deployments, our team provides it when the license is created. Once your enterprise code is verified, you will be redirected to the user login page. If anonymous mode is enabled, click Login to sign in with your user account. Enter your account username and password to log in. If using the initial password, you will be required to reset it upon login. Our homepage provides quick links to predefined tools and application lists. You can also connect to selected VPN nodes from here. Use the Network tab to manage VPN, Wi-Fi, and wired connections. Go to the Security tab to access reports on antivirus and baseline scanning. Useful diagnostic tools are listed in the Lab section. Use the Network Diagnostics tool to quickly locate and resolve network problems. The Software section contains all applications assigned from the software library. The Help Center displays all FAQs set up by the admin, and you can also report issues along with client logs here. After successfully uploading the logs, you can download them from the Feedback section under IT Application. Manage and review SealSuite settings here. Click to fetch the latest configuration immediately, which is typically updated every 5 minutes. Go to the Device Assets module to see a complete list of your devices. We offer several filters to help you search for your devices. Click on a search device to review all its asset details. You can review OS information, installed applications, login, logout records, and utilization details. From the Client Management console, you can collect SealSuite client logs or uninstall the SealSuite client. If you have subscribed to and set up our MDM function, you can perform various MDM-related actions here. Organize your devices into groups using manual or automatic grouping methods. With automatic grouping, assets are categorized based on your settings, following the same attributes. You can, for instance, group devices based on their device brand. With manual grouping, you need to individually select each device for the group. Configure an asset enrollment policy to enable automatic grouping when users log in from a new device for the first time. Provide a policy name and define the device conditions. For instance, you can apply it to ungrouped devices. Modify the registration details and set up the device groups that users can select. Additional settings for individual groups can be configured here. Check the User Client Display Effect section to preview your settings. Modify the message prompt shown to users during registration. You can enable automatic approval or set up manual approval by integrating with a third-party IM bot. Finally, select the user scope for this policy and confirm your configuration.